Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I want to thank God for giving us the time and opportunity to do this presentation. And thank you to Lecturer Savitri for guiding us on this learning material. Today we are going to discuss about report text. But firstly, I would like to introduce my team. My team is Anissa Padola, Ashila Zakia, Aidil Fakdewer, Elijah Trianasari, dan Rianinda Dalimunte as moderator. Definition of report text. Report text is a type of text in English that describe the details of an object. Details in this text are scientific details which include the description of object, whether physical or non-physical, from scientific fact about the object. For your information, report text is included in the descriptive text, which provides information to readers about the object of this text itself. Although report text and description text are almost the same, they are actually two different texts. Report text tends to lead to scientific, factual text, and it's more general than description text, so that there is no subjective opinion from the authors. Thank you for me.
Social function report text is to describe why things are with reference to a range of natural, man-made, and social phenomena in our environment.
Grammatical features 1. Use of general nouns, egg hunting dogs, rather than particular nouns, egg or dog. Number 2. Use of relation verb to describe features, egg molecules, are tiny particles. 3. Some as of action verb when describing behavior, a mouse cannot fly. Number 4, use of timeless present tense to indicate usualness, a tropical cyclone always begin over the sea. Use of technical term, isobars are line drawn on a weather's map.
I will be explain about generic structure of report text. Generic structure of report text have two generic structure is general classification and description. First, general classification. This section contains general statements that describe the object description of this report text. 2. Description. This section usually describes the phenomenon or situation that occurs, both these parts, nature, habits, or behavior. In essence, this section describes the classification present scientifically. However, to remember, report text is a new text but scientific factual text.
I'll continue the material about example. So I have example here about God. Goats are the interesting mammal animal. They are vertebrates. They belong to mammal and they can be found over the world. Goats breathe with their lung. They can walk and run, but they can be in a hurry. They use their 4 legs. There are many kinds of goats. All of them eat grass because that are herbivore. They live in all the world. Some of them have thorn in their head. You can hear their voice, mbe. Female goat can be pregnant and bear their baby goat. They always live together with others. Goat. So we can see that on the first paragraph here, this is the general classification structures, which is tell us about the general statements about God. And then the second paragraph, which is the longest paragraph, is description structure, which is describes more about the God.
Thank you for your attention. Sorry for our mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.